Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely YouTube channel. My name is Rohit and I'm your reasoning educator. So here I am going to discuss a one very important syllogisms doubt. I have posted this syllogisms question in the community tab also. So many of the students are commenting wrong. So I am here just to explain this doubt in a very quick way. Okay. So the question you have is only few A or B. So only few A or B, that means ki there are some portion of A or B and there are some portion of A or not B. That means कि complete A cannot be inside the B, as well as we can say it is possible that complete B can go inside A. It is possible, but it is not possible कि complete A go inside the B. Okay, there must be a one relation between only few A and B. So all B are C, that means complete B are C. Only few D are C. Here it is saying only few D are C. That means कि some D are C, that is this portion, and some portion of D are not C. That means complete D cannot go inside the C, but it is possible that complete C can go inside the D. That's it. Now the very first conclusion, that is some D are not B. What it means that some D are not B. So I have already told that how we can check some and no type of conclusion. We just try to imagine all D can be B. So just imagine कि complete D go inside B. If we do so, then this portion of D will also come inside the C. But here it is saying only few D are C. So how it is possible? No sir, we can't place all D inside the B. Even we can't say all D inside C. No. Can I place all D inside the B? No. It is not possible. Okay, that means कि if all D can be false, then some D are not B is true. And when we know this confirmation that some D are not B, and I am saying let's have a possibility of that. No, जब भी कभी ऐसा होता है कन्फर्म कंक्लूजन के साथ पॉसिबिलिटी लग जाए तो वो कंक्लूजन गलत हो जाता है, बट डाउट कंक्लूजन उसके साथ पॉसिबिलिटी लग जाए वो कंक्लूजन सही होता है. बट हेयर वी आर डेफिनेटली नो दैट देयर इज सम पोर्शन ऑफ डी आर not B, and it is saying some D are not B is a possibility. That means this is a false, that we are getting the confirm relation. So and we adding possibility that makes this conclusion is false. So hope so this is clear to all of you. Bye bye, take care, and go and check it out today's offer in 99 Mela. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.